Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to fix a login error on Good Coffee, Great Coffee. Let's get started. So one way by which you can get this error is by simply typing in the wrong or incorrect password or username. So go ahead and double check your username and password to ensure you are entering them correctly. And if you've forgotten them, quickly use the forgot password or reset password option to recover or reset your password. Another method by which you can get rid of this login error is by clearing your browser cache and cookies. This will allow your browser to in essence refresh, and this will allow you to bypass the login error. Another way you can fix this is by updating your browser if it is not updated, because that may be the cause of the login error. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.